तू ही बस, तू ही खुशियों की जन्नत, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक, और कुछ नहीं चाहूँ मैं जिंदा जाऊँ। कुछ भी मेरा लगता है यारा, मैं करूँ सके से
occupy the seat. So please occupy the seat. Once again, a very happy day to everyone present here. उस्ताद होना आसान नहीं है, खुद के जर्रे को मिटाकर मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल बनाना आसान नहीं है। यहाँ देखा है बहुत सारे लोगों को, बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ खेलते हुए, पर एक अजनबी चाइल्ड को उसके मुस्तकबिल के बारे में सोचते हुए पढ़ाना आसान नहीं है। So a happy Teachers Day for all the great, inspiring, creative teachers present here. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Maheshwara, they create the divine knowledge in the students, and getting knowledge is very easier. From wherever you want, these days you can get the knowledge. But using that knowledge wisely, this is provided by the teachers. So once again, a happy Teachers Day to everyone. I request head boy and head girl to please honor our chairman sir with a badge. Let me tell you something about chairman sir. A person who strives hard to achieve his goal, a focused person, a strong mentor, the best inspiring creative teacher is Sheikh Najib Ahmed sir. Huge round of applause for him. Next is Sufyan. Really I should appreciate his presence makes a difference. Thank you Sufyan. And here comes Sabia madam, the most lovely and beautiful lady. Thank you for making your presence available, Sabia madam. Thanks a lot. And here comes Samir sir. His presence is making the difference. Thank you for everything, Samir sir.
Teacher can never be arranged. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day. Every year, the 5th of September marks the remembrance of the great educator, leader and thinker. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on this special day. This day honors the contribution of teachers to education and society.
లకు నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు మరియు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసిన ముఖ్య అతిథులకు నా తోటి విద్యార్థులకు అందరికీ హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. డాక్టర్ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ జయంతిని పురస్కరించుకుంటూ 7 సెప్టెంబర్ 5న ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటున్నాము.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मुअज़्ज़िज़ सामीन, मेरा नाम अब्दुल अहद खान है, मैं नवी जमात में पढ़ता हूँ। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि आज हम यहाँ यौम असातिज़ा मनाने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं। आज के इस मौके पर मैं कुछ अशार पेश करना चाहता हूँ। कितनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया, कितनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया, मैं कुछ न जानता था, सब कुछ मुझे सिखाया। पहुँचा दिया फलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से, पहुँचा दिया फलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से, वाकिफ ना था जरा भी इतने बड़े जहाँ से। देखा ना कोई फरियाद के बगैर, देखा ना कोई फरियाद के बगैर, आता नहीं है फन कोई उस्ताद के बगैर। रहबर भी है, हमदम भी है, गमखार हमारा उस्ताद ये कौमों के हमारा।
शिक्षक शिक्षिका एवं मेरे सहपाठियों को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम सबीना है, मैं 9वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम साई कुमारी है, मैं 9वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। आज शिक्षक दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मैं कुछ शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। ये दिन हमें अपने टीचरों का प्रति सम्मान और आभार प्रकट करने का दिन है। भारत के प्रथम उपराष्ट्रपति और स्वतंत्र भारत के दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद थे। वे दार्शनिक, शिक्षक और लेखक थे। सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण की जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। उन्हें भारत रत्न भी मिला था। ये क्षेत्रों के जीवन और भविष्य को आकार देने में शिक्षकों और शिक्षक के अमूल को पहचानने के लिए बना है।
Sir, teachers and my dear friends, first of all, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. As we all know, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great philosophy teacher who dedicated his life to education. Teachers' Day is the day when we appreciate the contribution of teacher in society. Teacher is a role model of inspiration to go further and to dream bigger.
Very good. Today is the day when we express our heartfelt gratitude towards our teachers. Oh yes, let us invite to the next dance performance to do. So I invite 8th, 7th grade girls for the performance.
और पीछे मुड़ के बाय कर दिया, इस तरह जाना शुरू किया। वो जेम्स बॉन्ड के जैसे मुझे ढूंढ लेते, फिर सजा के तौर पर कठिन सा कोई एक सवाल खड़ा वो मुझको करके झट से पूछ लेते, फिर भी छोड़ दूंगी हाथ चला मैं उनके साथ। जादू सा था कुछ उन्होंने किया, मैंने खुद को जैसे सौंप ही दिया। मैं छोड़
शक्ति है। शिक्षक सृष्टि में निर्माण की अभिव्यक्ति है। शिक्षक उंगली पकड़े बच्चे का सहारा है। शिक्षक डूबती हुई कश्ती का किनारा है। शिक्षक तपते मौसम में बारिश के समान है। शिक्षक छोटे से परिंदे का बड़ा आसमान है।
Out of control, oh don't go करके छोड़, oh don't go करके छोड़, और करके छोड़। मुर्गी राजा में अंधेरा क्या होगा? अरे लक्ष्मी की आत्मा में क्या होगा? अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा? सीधे बजा के छोड़। चली सवारी शब्दों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल पन्ने बम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे कससे मस ना होंगे हम कोई रात नहीं
If someone asked me to define a teacher that suits our modern age language, then I would like to define it like this. Teachers, a multitasking educational rock stars who lives to inspire and loves to acknowledge.
Now we get into another performance by 6th and 7th girls. This is for you, my dear teachers.
शिक्षक जीवन है, संबल है, शक्ति है। शिक्षक सृष्टि में निर्माण की अभिव्यक्ति है। शिक्षक उंगली पकड़े बच्चे का सहारा है। शिक्षक डूबती हुई कश्ती का किनारा है। शिक्षक तपते मौसम में बारिश के समान है। शिक्षक छोटे से परिंदे का बड़ा आसमान है। शरारत है मगर वो जेम्स बॉन्ड के जैसे मुझे ढूंढ लेते
हमारी एंट्रियां दिल में बजी घंटियां रे हमारी एंट्रियां दिल में बजी घंटियां रे किस्म कमेंट्रियां रे प्यार की गारंटियां रे अरे दाड़ा दाड़ी करना अपना ही सुधरना टूटने लगा है चाहतों का झरना कि ना मरम्मतें हो ना कोई वारंटियां रे हमारी इंडिया रे दिल में बजी घंटियां रे महसूस हुआ है लाइफ की गाड़ी मेकअप के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना तेरी चिक में डालो के सबल की फसल उगाना अरे रे रे ओबे चलो बेटा शुरू हो जा शुरू बगल उठा के थोड़ा लियो लगाना किसी बगल वाली को मरतानी खुशबू सुनाना चलो ऊपर से जो बटन ढीले कर के बताना वालों वाला सीना दिखाना वालों वाला सीना दिखाना परसों तक तू साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख ये तुमको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट के पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
we have met in this life. A very happy Teachers' Day from all of us. And thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा, तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया। ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप तू ही छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। अजीज़ तलबा व तालिबात और आली इल्म, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ नजीम सरकार मैनेजमेंट का कि उन लोगों ने जो है मुझे मौका दिया स्कूल में पढ़ाने के लिए, और जितना भी मुझसे बन पड़ रहा है या हो रहा है, मैं आप लोगों को जो है उर्दू के अलावा जो कुछ भी दीनी इस्लामिक बातें सिखा रहा हूँ, अल्लाह की दुआ करे और अल्लाह ताला जो है इस स्कूल को जो है तरक्की की राह पर गामजन करे, और अल्लाह ताला और जो है इसको तरक्की की राह पर ले जाए। आज के इस महफिल में सिर्फ मैं इतनी बात ऐड करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि उर्दू में से कहते हैं योम असातिज़ा, टीचर डे को योम असातिज़ा कहा जाता है उर्दू में। ये तमाम जो है टीचरों को मुबारकबादी है दिल की गहराइयों से। और हमारे बड़े बुजुर्गान दीन कहा करते थे, अगर जो है दौलत में इजाफा चाहते हो तो माँ बाप की खिदमत करो, अगर इल्म में इजाफा चाहते हो तो टीचर का अदब एहतराम करो। और एक मैं आप हजरात के सामने एक शेर के साथ अपनी बात को खत्म करता हूँ। इल्म से बढ़कर कोई दौलत नहीं, जाहिल से बढ़कर कोई मोहताज नहीं। इल्म एक रोशनी है, जहालत एक अंधेरी और तारीकी है। इल्म से इंसान अच्छे और बुरे में तमीज़ कर सकता है, और जहालत से इंसान नावाकिफ और गवाह रहता है, इससे जरूरत में तमीज़ नहीं आती। अल्लाह ताला से दुआ करें, अल्लाह ताला हम तमाम जो है तलबा और तालिबात को और स्टूडेंट को अपने असातिज़ा का अपने टीचरों का अदब एहतराम करने की तौफीक अता फरमाएं। आमीन व आखिर दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
It is very much pleasing to be the part of this program, which is very well organized by the staff and students of Ratans, and a very good and very appreciable thought of our Honorable Chairman Sir to honor the teachers in this way, which is never seen anywhere, right from my schooling time, and we thank Sir for this. And as it is told that we brought the rainbow on this occasion, really the colors of rainbow can be seen in your performances. So I wish all of you to be all the best for your future, so that in future you may also be the very good teachers. As I know one of my 10th class student, Shiva, will always say, I will be the teacher, and have seen the first student that who
Sheikh Sufyan Ahmed to please come on the dais and share his opinion on today's occasion.
Good afternoon, all the teachers and students. I hope you all are fine. I want to say a few words on this occasion. Teachers play an essential role in molding an individual. They are the pillars of the nation. And teaching is the only profession which teaches other professions. And all the teachers who guided me and their wisdom have made a lasting impact on my life. Happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you.
The person who handles system, the person who manages meetings, they're countless. So I would like to invite Samir sir on the desk for his words.
A very good afternoon to everyone. So today we have gathered to celebrate
Teachers Day.
Energy only. Now, why we celebrate Teachers Day? So it's Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birth anniversary. That is on 5th September we celebrate Teachers Day. So he was a professor. He was also a teacher. Okay, he was a professor at Oxford University. So on his birth anniversary, he has said, and he was also a president of India. So that is why we celebrate Teachers Day on his birth anniversary. And I say that still I care a lot. I show my love and affection to my teachers as well as Kiran sir. He has guided me all the way in 10th. Because of him I have scored 10 out of 10 in maths. See, this is the love and affection what students give to the teachers. They don't expect more, just a small contribution. Whenever you meet them around the functions and all, just meet them and greet them politely. That is what they need. So I wish all the students follow my words and they respect their teachers and greet their teachers politely when they are out of the school also. Once again, I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers Day and may God bless Almighty, may God Almighty bless them with good health and happiness. Thank you.
Happiness. Now I want silence everywhere. Even the sound of music also we don't want. No sound at all. You know who will win? There is a race going on everywhere. Wherever you go, there is a race. To be stable, to be a winner, we should change. Change is a basic thing which we should make in ourselves, which we should take from the world. You know who are the changers? They are the challengers. So great challenger is among us whose focus will never migrate. You know children, who will win? The person who gets good points, good marks. Okay, points and marks are important. But focus builds. A focused person is among us. Dedication builds. A dedicated person is among us. I would like to invite Honorable Chairman Sir of Adams Group of Schools, Mr. Sheikh Najib Ahmed Sir, to please be on the dais.
So, without taking much time from you all, first of all, I'd like to say good afternoon. And happy Teachers Day for all the teachers available here in surrounding, in my school and the teachers around the world. I wish you all the happy Teachers Day. So, Teachers Day is celebrated to show your gratitude towards your teachers. See, there is only one relation which is not blood relation, in spite of not being a blood relation, who cares for you all is the only teachers. That's what we say, teachers are second parents. Taking this opportunity, I would like to advise my students also a little bit the importance of parents as well as teachers, because as I said you, teachers are the second parents. See, there is a saying and it is true. With all the beliefs, whoever believes in whatever way, there is heaven under the feet of mother. Is it not? And father is in door of the heaven. Even though there is a heaven under the feet, but when you want to enter, if you want to enter the heaven, you need the door to be opened. Unless until you please your parents, you cannot enter the heaven.
Say my life. The wisdom comes through the hands of the teachers. If you do not respect the teachers, the knowledge and wisdom will not touch your feet. Teachers will train you how to look into the world, how to see the wisdom. So please children, try to respect the teachers as you respect your parents and respect the parents as they deserve. Do you understand what you deserve? I could see most of these children ignoring parents, which is very bad. Just think it over. When you are in child and small age, when you couldn't do your work, you used to even pass your call of nature, everything on yourself, but the mother used to clean and neat for you. Do not care. Just imagine, you are handicapped, you are helpless to do your own work. Your parents have done for you. So please do respect your parents and the teachers. Teachers, in spite not being your blood related, they care as equal to the parents. Only teachers will not be jealous of any students as the parents. Supposing if a parent has 5 kids, माँ बाप किस बच्चे से जलते क्या? कोई माँ बाप किसी बच्चे से नहीं जलते. हर बच्चे की तरक्की माँ बाप की तरक्की समझ के माँ बाप बहुत खुश होते. बाप ये चाहता कि उसके बच्चे उससे ज्यादा तरक्की करें. Is it not? Same like teachers also. Teachers always see the children, even though they in a class of 50 students, teachers will see that every child should prosper. They never feel jealous of any student. अरे एक बच्चा को फर्स्ट क्लास है, दूसरे बच्चे को थर्ड क्लास है, one is doing some engineering work, other is doing some odd job. They will not feel jealous of it. They feel proud whatever job you do it and whatever discipline you follow in your life. Please children, and if you want to progress in the life, you have to maintain discipline. No success will touches you unless until you are disciplined. If you want to get success, you have to follow the discipline. And in fact, really, when I'm so blessed and touched with this Mudassir as well as Juveria. They always visit me, and this special occasion, they make me feel more special. Thank you very much. The value is given by the parents. I should give a lot of applause to the NMR teacher and her husband for giving this value. See, there are some students still. Last time I think Joseph, I believe, he used to come on every teacher's day. He used to come and wish me. Now I think he is in Bangalore. Once we been in Bangalore, he was in touch with somewhere also. So this is what we need. Teacher does not need anything from you. A small respect. What they have shown the world, they have shown you how to walk in the world. Please children, try to respect the teachers. And as I said you that, if you want to succeed, you have to take the help of the teachers. You cannot be successful unless you respect the teachers and follow the teachers. And especially I believe that we have produced many professions. As already said that Samir sir and Sufyan also have said. See, we are also creating lot of wonders, lot of professions, lot of engineers, doctors in our thing. But there are few advocates are going to be produced. Likewise, Sufyan is your ex-senior student. He is going to be advocate very shortly. So this year he is in 3rd year of LLB. So I wish, because we have to occupy, all professions are important. All professions are important. No profession is less, no profession is big, but only the noble profession is teaching profession. You have to respect the teaching profession. I feel very proud. Today I am here because of being a teaching line. You take away teachers from me, I am finished. I cannot stay away from the school. School has become a lifeline for me. Even the school is closed, I try to visit the school once. I see always the progress. My teachers are my strength. My parents are my strength. So I always say that the teachers who serve for me, even for one day, my respect will be there forever. Some teachers have worked for me for few days. You just find out with them what relation I maintain with them. Till today, all of the PTX teachers, they are in touch with me, they try to respect me, they try to wish me on every occasion. This is what I earned. This is what I earned. That is more important, I feel, student, because without taking much of your time, thank you so much. You have listened to my words very calmly, quietly. It boosted me energy. When you listen quietly, automatically the words keeps on coming. That shows you the encouragement. I love you all children for your wonderful presentation, and you have given me so much love and affection. I love you all for your, and I will always pray for your success. Okay, children. Thank you very much all the teachers who have organized this event, and Samir sir, even support staff. Yes, support staff, including Sahib, what is that? Ibrahim sir, Venu, as well as Pasha Watchman, and all the staff from name with names. I would like you to request you to come on to my dais all together. Please, Venu, Ibrahim, my favorite.